Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add a line in your SVG. So I have already opened this file in live server. If you don't know how to open the file in the live server, all you need to do, you need to right click and click on open with live server. So in this Chrome you can see there is basically nothing. But what I want to have a line that will start from here and that will end here. So it will be a straight line. So you can see I can take four coordinate x1, x2, y1, y2, and I will give it a color as well. So for the x1, the first x1 will be here and y1 will be here. So as you can see, I have to give it a certain value for the x direction, and it will be here, and I have to give it a certain value that will be in the y direction, and it will be here. So let's give it 100 by 100. So for that I need to write line. Here I will just write x1 100, y1 100. We don't have to give any comma. x1, y1, then x2. So if I go to the browser, you can see the distance in the x direction will be the same. If I want to make a straight line, then the distance from here to here will be the same, and the distance from here to here will be the same. So let's assume x2 will be 100 as well. x2 100, and the y2 will be bigger than y1, because the y1 was this portion and y2 will be here. So y2 will be something like 300 or 400. So let's write y2 400. But right now I won't see anything because I haven't specified any color. So let's specify a color, and the way you can do that, you can write stroke and give it a color. So the color can be black. So let's go to our index.html, and you can see we have this line over here. So this is the coordinate for x1, y1, 100 from here and 100 from here, and this is the coordinate for x2, y2, 100 from here and 300, was it 300, 400, and 400 from here. So that's how you can just draw a line. So I can just duplicate this line 3 times, and let's make this 200, 200, and let's make this 300, 300, and let's reload our page. Now we can see 3 line over here. So that's basically how you can actually draw a line.